Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa and today I'm going to be decorating my faux fireplace. So if you're new here, our house was built in 1900, 123 years old as I'm recording this. And this wall back here, it's in our living room. It's an outdoor wall, and when we ripped down our old walls to put up the new drywall, there was a window behind there in the past, but we just covered over it because if you guys have seen our videos before, the whole living room is windows, so we don't need any more windows on that side of the house. But we were thinking maybe in the future we'll be able to actually put a real fireplace there, and that's like the dream. If we do it, we'll definitely share it with you guys here on YouTube. But for now, we got this old fireplace mantle from somebody for free, and then we bought some mirrors at Menards. My husband built the bottom part with wood. I shabby chiced it with white paint and sandpaper, and I just love it. It's so fun. I've always wanted to have a fireplace in our house so we can hang our stockings there in the winter and stuff. So anyways, now I love to decorate it for different holidays, and I don't usually decorate for Easter, but this year I'm going to do it. So I got some new stuff, I got some old stuff, and let's just get started. I gotta wash it off. I already washed it once, and my son just likes to put his hands all over the mirrors. So I'm going to wash the mirrors, dust everything. Also, if you can see the little cars, that end table right there, me and my son are playing cars this morning, and we have to put it on hold so he could go to school, and I promised I wouldn't move those, so just ignore the toys that you see sitting on these two tables right here. I'm just going to start out by showing you some of the things I might be decorating with today. I just kind of go around my house and pull things from different areas that I think is going to fit the theme that I want to go for. Most of these things were thrifted, some of them I made myself, and then some things I bought at stores. Lots of this stuff I've had for a really long time. So these little cute birdhouses were a clearance item I got a really long time ago at a Shopko. I don't even know if they have Shopkos anymore. I have a whole bunch of different little amber glass things that I've collected over the years. Oh, there's some more up there and over there. And I have some other ones too that I'm probably going to be adding. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all the tiny stuff or not. I've had this wreath over here for a very long time, and I've never actually used it for anything, so I'm like, this is going to be perfect for the look I'm going for this year. And I also wanted to make a bow for it, and so I had got this yellow, and I'm kind of wishing I would have got an orange colored burlap ribbon. I really love brass items, and so I collected these from a thrift store before, and wooden items as well. So I have a whole bunch more wooden candlesticks and brass ones. It is very dusty, but I got this at a thrift shop recently. It's so cute, and I am going to love. I've already decorated with this some, but I just adore this. Little mushrooms were from Joann Fabrics, and this bunny is really old. I think I got it from Target or something a long time ago, but they do have more of those this year, I saw. And this duck is just, I had to have that. This is one of the new things I got this year. If you guys saw one of my videos where I was doing some antique shopping, you would have already seen him. And then I have this old frame that I got at an antique shop, and I absolutely love it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that yet or not today, but I got these two little tulips from the Target dollar aisle. They also had orange ones and I believe another color. I think this is supposed to be a baby's breath bundle. Yep, from Walmart. And then I got these little orange and yellow flowers also from Walmart, and these cute little like wildflower daisy type yellow flowers as well, and I think they're like perfect for my theme. If you guys want amazing fake flowers, definitely go to Joann Fabrics as well though, or even check Dollar Tree. I got these little carrots to hang from my mantle, and then I got these cute little carrots to put in something. This is something that I made for my son's room when he was a baby. His room is nature themed, and it's just like a little burlap canvas. And I got a bundle of sticks that I found outside, and also some moss, and I just kind of tied and glued things together on there. And look at this, you guys, it's so cute. This one I got at a thrift store once a long time ago, and I just absolutely love it. I collect these little tiny mushrooms and I have them all out in my garden right now, except the brown one was in my son's room. But here are some new things I got at Target, and I'm not sure if they really go with these warm toned theme I have going on here. They're like concrete bunnies and mushrooms that I got in the Target Bullseye's Playground or whatever, the dollar section at Target. But I just thought they were so cute, so I'm not sure if I'm going to add these to my fireplace mantle or put them somewhere else, but you can find those at Target. Quick question for you guys. Would you change out the color of the fireplace when I'm changing out all the trim? Because we're changing our trim. We did white trim in the beginning and we hated it. So now we're kind of changing the trim out to be this more like, I don't know, weathered gray look. So I'm wondering, should we do the fireplace mantle that color as well, or just leave it white? We have this thing that we made out of wood, and I don't know, I mean, that has like the white and stuff on it too, but I don't know how long I really want to keep that there. That's been up there for a while now. I'm kind of like changing some of my style. Would you guys keep that there? Do you like that? I don't know. Give me your opinions down below. Should I repaint the fireplace? Oh yep, that is way too small. And I knew that was going to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm either going to add maybe a frame, that frame around there, or put that one inside of another wreath. I'm not sure yet. Whenever I use fake flowers, I always cut them apart because they go way further, and I think they just look a lot more realistic and nicer when they're all separated. Sadly though, the baby's breath doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do that. I tried and it's just wanting to break the bottom of the stems off, so I'm gonna have to just leave these in one bundle, I guess. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. What did you think? Do you love it? I'm so happy with it. It is like so my vibe, and these colors, and it's just so springy and so happy, and I feel like every time that I look at this I'm going to feel happy. And I'm going to leave this definitely up probably past Easter. I'll probably leave it up my whole entire springtime just because it's like the perfect spring vibes. And then for summer I'll switch it out again. If you guys want to see that, let me know. If you guys have any questions about where anything is from, if I forgot to mention, definitely comment below. Anyways, I hope everyone has a very, very happy Easter and a very happy spring, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!